Okay, I'm going to put back the coolant pipes. Basically, what is diagrammed in the Bentley manual and rare coolant system, rare of engine. So I had taken it out. You would have noticed in the previous videos it was actually there, and then I took it out. I took it out with the sort of idea that it might get in the way when I put the heads on, or one of the heads on. But you know, it's time to put it back. So let's see here. So this thing. I wonder about the wisdom of taking it out now. We'll have to see. Interesting, maybe this should have been put on before. Yeah, I don't think this would go on now actually. So we'll take the head off, one of the heads off, and work it in.